here, same way that one, it comes with a tank where you will fill the water and solution. Okay, so simply we'll remove it from here like this. So we'll put the water. So in here also simple, there is like line also from where like up to where you have to put the water and solution. You have the like small area like 2 3 only so far, so it comes to the small area. That means you have to put the water and solution till here only. You have big area, so large area water and solution. So now it's small area, so like we'll put the water. Okay, first. Okay, I'm trying my best to just understand. Okay, sorry. Okay, done. So we have different solution for the carpet and solution also. That was for hard cleaning. This one, okay, for carpet. Okay, it's open already. So we'll
فهو
put the
دلوقتي هنا
solution.
بيحط السوليوشن مع المية علشان يعمل الميكس.
Not one time. Till over here there is like I mean line. Exactly.
المحلول ده كمان سمارت، بينظف من غير ما يعمل رغوة، بينظف تنظيف عميق من غير ما يعمل رغوة.
Okay, okay, sorry. Thank you. So like this, slide and glide easily.
ده المكان اللي بيركب فيه
So we'll put
السوليوشن
something over here
المية
in the
النظيفة،
small
والمكان
carpet.
التاني اللي
Let's
جنبيه اللي
say
بيتجمع فيه الوسخ
ketchup,
والمية
jam. We'll
اللي
put it over
بترجع
here.
منها.
Okay.
دلوقتي هو هنا هيجرب
Okay.
تجربة على سجادة.
Okay.
رش هنا الوسخ على سجادة وهيجربه.
It's okay. We'll remove it. It's okay.
طبعا زي ما انتم شايفين بهدل الدنيا خالص، وهيبدأ يشغل المكنسة الهوفر.
So we'll start the machine from here. It's simple. Okay. So now it's the machine got start. So it comes with this one button will release. It will give the water and solution.
بيرش أول حاجة عليها المية، في بخاخ بيرش المية وبعد
Okay.
كده
So
بينضف.
done. Okay. And one more thing, if there is like permanent stains, hard stains, if you are releasing the water and solution, just give 5 to 10 minutes time so the solution will dissolve properly to the carpet. Now it's just a normal one. So we'll just like this. First we'll scrub like this. It comes with brush, we'll scrub like this. If there is like rugs, like this one like
بيشرح هنا
normal,
الطريقة بتاعة
simple will take
التنظيف
it.
اتنضف
See?
ازاي.
Everything it will take it. Same. Cordless one. Yes. And it comes with, if you want to increase the power, it comes with boost mode also. So you can increase. So it will be 25% more suction power than the normal one. Now, again, we'll raise the some solution and water to the carpet. Okay. Then stop.
بص من غير مجهود خالص بتنضف، هي بتسحب المية وبتسحب معاها الوسخ على
Little
طول
bit more.
من غير أي مجهود خالص. السوليوشن المحلول ده قوي جدا، بيطلع على طول الوسخ من داخل الكاربت بدون أي مجهود. هنا بقى لو بقعة عميقة ولا حاجة بيرش عليها تاني وبيسحب تاني المية.
Done. Yeah. And it
بص
comes
رجعت
with
جديدة تاني.
two more accessories. Okay. These two more accessories. This one called the wider brush. So if you want to change it, okay. So if you want to change this brush, okay, simply you have to remove from here. So
دي
you will
الطريقة
keep
اللي
this one.
بتغير بيها بين
Even
السبير
for sofa
بارتس.
also, that is wider brush. It will cover more area. Let's
زي
say
ما انتم
there is
شايفين
some
هنا
like small
المية
area.
الميه
you know,
الجماعه
like chairs and all.
اللي مش نظيفه
You
الجماعه
can use it the smaller one also. Yeah, change it also. And one more comes with 3x tools. This one, so you can use it the corner area of the sofas, even for in the car. Simply, you have to remove like this, and you will keep it here like this. Same way, we'll release the water and solution from here. Scrub it.
بيقول كمان الاستخدامات بتاعت كل قطعه في
Yeah,
السبير
good
بارت.
question. For leather furnitures, simple. This brush it will damage the leather fabric, so it comes with sub brush also. Simply you can remove it from here like this. So we'll keep it here. Okay, nice set. So this one it will not damage the leather fabrics. Same ways we'll release the waters, scrub it, everything it will take it out. Rechargeable. So for charging, simple. You will take the battery from here.